In a couple of minutes, I'm going to show you why you need a Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig. The hinge jig gives a fast, repeatable and reliable solution to easily mount concealed cabinet hinges with the accuracy of a drill press with nothing more than a normal drill. The Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig comes with everything you need to get started. Jig base with index cams, removable drill guide, 35mm carbide tip drill bit, stop collar, and an owner's manual. There are two main things required for determining the placement of your hinges. How far from the door edge the hinge needs to be located, called the offset, which is determined by the type and brand of hinge you're installing, and how far the hinge sits from the top and bottom of the door. The Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig takes out all of the guessing. So how does it work? Use the indexing cams for the appropriate setting for your hinge, and the jig will be perfectly set back when placed against the edge of the door. Set the finish depth of the drill bit to the required position by placing the bit through the drill guide and into the jig. Use a stop collar to set this position. Then, use the measuring scale to position it to the desired location from the top or bottom of the door. Or line up your marking with the notches and clamp in place with 2 clamps to avoid the jig shifting. I recommend testing your cut on a piece of scrap wood. I've already done mine, so I'm working on the real doors now. Put the guide assembly into your drill. Adjust your drill speed to suit the wood you're working with without burning. Maximum 500 RPM for hardwood and 1200 RPM for softwood. Now you're ready to drill. Remove the drill guide and clean out the cup hole. Before you take the clamps off, drill the 2 pilot holes for the hinge mounting screws using a 1.6mm drill bit. This will provide the perfect alignment for your hinge. Having 2 drills here like I have does help speed up the process. You should make sure your drill bit is set so it doesn't go through the other side of the door. That's why a test piece is important. Unfasten the clamps, clean up the dust, pop the hinge in, screw into place, and you're ready to go. And that's it. And the great thing about the Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig is that you can repeat the process again and again with the same accuracy and same professional results across all of your cabinets.